I feel most of the students they have come. Those who are late, we can see the recording. So, example 6, exercise 13.1. A juice seller was serving his customers using the glass as shown in the figure. So there is a juice seller who want to earn more profit and want to attract his customers. तो उसने क्या किया, एक बड़ा सा ग्लास ले लिया, लेकिन जो ग्लास का बॉटम था उसने ऐसे करके रेज कर दिया कि when you will hold the glass it will look like it's a big glass which is full of juice, but if you will see the amount of juice will be only up to this level, nothing else. Clear? So this is the apparent level. ये एक apparent level है. Clear? There are two things. One is actual and second is apparent. तो apparently ये बहुत बड़ा लग रहा है, but actually इतना बड़ा नहीं है. तो ये this glass is used by the juice seller to serve his customers. The inner diameter of the cylindrical glass was 5 centimeters. So diameter is given 5 centimeter, which implies the radius is given 5 by 2 centimeter. But the bottom of the glass had a hemisphere raised portion, which reduced the capacity of the glass. जो ये raised portion है, this is reducing the capacity of the glass. वो हमें दिख रहा है. If the height of the glass was 10 centimeter, तो यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक जो ये 10 centimeter थी height. Find the apparent capacity of the glass and actual capacity. Pi is 3.14. Solution. Apparent is what is looking. So apparent capacity of the glass, this is volume of the cylinder, which is pi r square h. So pi is 3.14, radius he has given 5 by 2 whole square, and height he has given 10 centimeters. So when I will find out the apparent capacity means which is looking from outside. So looking from outside, it is as it is viewed by the customer. They will come to the shop to see with less money they will get more juice, but when actually they will hold the glass, they will come to know that there's a raised portion from the bottom which reduce the capacity of the glass and they will get less juice. So this is 3.14 is to 25 upon 4 is to 10. .57. So 1.57 is to 125 centimeter cube. This is the capacity of the glass. So probably it will be 196.25 centimeter cube. This is the apparent capacity. Now, actual capacity of the glass, I'm going to change the color of my pen. This is equal to actual capacity. This is equal to apparent capacity minus volume of raised portion. So apparent capacity, this is 196.25. The volume of the raised portion, that means volume of hemisphere. This is the formula to get the volume of hemisphere. Because this is the raised portion. So this is hemisphere. So which is 196.25 minus 2 by 3 is 2 the radius r 125 upon 8. This is 4. Well, so you can solve it to get the answer. So it will go minus so this is 1.57 multiplied by 125 divided by 6. Probably 32.7. This is 163.55 centimeter cube. So any student has any doubt, you are free to ask. In example 6, if you people have any doubt, you are free to ask.
Sir, sir, in book the answer is 163.54.
Sorry,
Sir, in my book, the final answer is 163.54.
then so what? This is 0.01 difference. It can be in the calculation. He can directly multiply 3.14 with 125 and divided it by 12. You will get this difference.
Okay, sir.
Right? This is perfectly fine. Lavandeep is writing, Harshit is writing, no issue. Take your time. Take your time. Do the calculations side by side. do calculations side by side, try to understand the questions properly.
Excuse me, sir.
GG.
I wanted to ask that do we have a choice in the lab manual activity and the subject activity?
See, ultimately in the second term, you have to submit your lab manuals also. Fine. So that is also the part of the syllabus. We have to do that also. But it is better that if you will do both, because then you must have the, if you will do both, then there will be a choice with us. If your activity is not up to the mark, you will get the advantage of your lab activity. Am I clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear. If you will give me two things, suppose your one thing is not up to the mark, so I will consider that the other thing. Clear. So whatever be the disadvantage in the first thing which you have deposited with me, you will get the credit of your second thing. So come to the next question. Girl who has given me the query, is it, are you clear? कौन बच्ची थी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
चलिए, very interesting question. Next example. Example 7. A solid toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone. अब देखिए, this is a toy which is in the shape of a hemisphere. It is surrounded by a cone like this. This is the situation. The height of the cone is 2 centimeters. So this is the diameter of the circle. So this is the height of the cone. Let it be A. Somewhere this is B. This is C. Let it be D. Let it be O. So this is this AO or OA, and the diameter of the base is 4. So diameter means diameter of the hemisphere. So I'm writing here. This is diameter is 4 centimeter. So radius is 2 centimeters. So that means this portion 2 centimeters. This is the, so that means the total height of the cone. This is 2 plus 2, 4 centimeters. This is the total height of the toy is 4 centimeters. From top to bottom, this is 4. Determine the volume of the toy. The first part is volume of toy. So there are two things. One is volume of hemisphere. Plus volume of cone. There are two things. So what is the volume of hemisphere? What is the volume of toy? Volume of a cone. One by 3 pi r square h. So can you take 1 by 3 out and r square out, because the radius is same for both? It will make my calculation much simple. So pi also you can take out. So 1 by 3 r square pi is taken out. So this is 2 by 3 r. Sorry, this is 2 r, not 2 by 3. Plus h. which is 1 by 3. Radius, it is given to pi 22 over 7. Radius, it is given to, and height of the cone, it is again given to. This is 1 by 3. Pi he is given 3.14. So please substitute 3.14 because he has given us. Here he has given us pi is equal to 3.14. So this is 1 by 3. 4 is to 3.14 is to 2 is to 2, 4, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So this is equal to 4 is to 2, 8 is to 3.14. This is 2, 3, 1, 25. So this is the volume of the toy. 25.12. This is your first part. Now the second part. पहले ये वाला करो, then we have to change the figure to get our second part. Noted. Anybody who is still noting? There are 6 students. उनमें से कोई बच्चा जो नोट कर रहा हो अभी?
Sir.
Noted, sir.
No. If the right circular cylinder circumscribe the toy, अब सारे का सारा टॉय जो है वो हमने राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर के अंदर बंद कर दिया. This is the right circular cylinder. Like this. In the same way we did here. This is the right circular cylinder. Now he's saying the entire toy is in the right circular cylinder. Find the difference of the volume of the cylinder and the toy. The volume of the toy is आपके पास आ गई. अब volume of cylinder निकाल लो. This is pi r square h. Pi is 3.14 is 2. Radius is same as that of the cone. This is 2. So 2 per square. Height of the cylinder is from top to bottom. So therefore 2 plus 2, this is 4. So this is equal to 3.14 is to 4 is to 4. 16 is to 3.14 centimeter cube. Now difference in volume 16 is to 3.14 minus 8 is to 3.14. So this is 8 is to 3.14, which is 25.12 centimeter cube. So which implies difference in volume of cylinder and cone is now exercise 13.2. We have to solve this exercise.
Done, sir.
Great. Come to question number 8 of the exercise. Question number 8, exercise 13.1. From a solid cylinder. Now see, this is a cylinder with us. I'm going with a brown color. This is a solid cylinder with us, whose height is 2.5 centimeter. And diameter is 1.4. A conical cavity of the same height and of the same diameter is hollowed out. Conical cavity hollowed out करनी like this. इतना portion मैंने बाहर निकाल देना. That means that this is a hollow which is inside the cylinder. This is all hollow now in the cylinder because I have taken it out. So this shape is created in the cylinder. Let it be O. This shape is created in the cylinder. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid. Y is 22/7. So total surface area of remaining solid, जो बाकी बचा उसका सरफेस एरिया किसके बराबर होगा. अभी सबसे पहले तो ये दो. Number 1, here I'm going to shade. This area will remain with me. This area will remain with me because cavity is taken from the inside. So that means the curved surface area plus cylinder is solid. That means area of the base will be with me. The base is in the form of a circle. So area of base plus this new area is created inside. ये देखिए, ये एक नया एरिया क्रिएट हो गया कोन की फॉर्म में, which is a and from top this is hollow. ये खाली है. तो सिर्फ ये वाला पोर्शन, तो ये हो गया कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कोन. So curved surface area of cylinder, this is 2 pi RH. Area of the base pi r square circle है. Area of the cone pi r L. So can you take pi and r outside? This is 2h plus only r plus L. So 22/7. Radius is 1.4 is the diameter, I feel. Diameter is 1.4. So radius is 1.4 upon 2. 2 is to height. Height is 2.4. Radius is 1.4 upon 2 plus slant height. That I have to find out. So slant height is, this is L. L is equal to h square plus r square under root. So height is 2.4. Radius is 1.4 divided by 2.7 whole square. 5.76 plus. So this is 5. 4 plus 7. 12. 113. 6. So slant height is 6.25, sorry, which is equal to 2.5. So substitute here 2.5. So this is 22/7. 1.4 upon 2. So this is equal to 4:2 8, 2:2 4 plus 0.7 plus 2.5. 22 calculations we will do at the end. So this is 4.8, 0.7, 2.5. 7 plus 12, 8, 2, 8. So it goes 7, 0.2, goes with 4. This is the total surface area of the remaining solids. This is the total surface area of the solid. Any doubt to any student, you are free to ask. Zannat, is it clear? Lavendi, Pavan, Tanmay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note kar lo with proper figures. So see you tomorrow. Try the exercise. I will take the difficulties. Fine. Thank you.